Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this whole second you've been looking changes everything. Stop scrolling right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is hands down incredible because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it cuts down your daily stress significantly. It's highly practical, compact, ADN-packed WTH thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less, when you can have the best. Size your ultimate sign to upgrade before the price goes back up. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this whole second you've been looking changes everything. Stop scrolling right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical.